buy stop or sell stop during news may experience a price gap to your entry level. I think this is more of a comment, right? I mean, a note. It's not the proper term that we use is not price gap. The proper term we use is called slippage. Okay, so since you actually note this, I just want to put in the correct terminology, right, so that we are all in the same page. Okay. Yeah, so I think what you meant is slippage. Okay, so what exactly is slippage? Slippage is the part where the market movement is so fast such that you were not able to get in or get out at a specific price that you want. Okay, so for example, you want to buy at this particular price, but because there was such a huge surprise, the market went up so fast, you did not get in here, you get in at a higher price, right? So that's what we meant by slippage. Yes, okay, during a huge surprise element, you may experience slippage, okay, and that may naturally affect your risk and your potential profit. But that's the inherent aspect of trading news, okay? You need to accept that that is one of the potential risks that you may encounter if you're trading news, okay? But of course, then you want to factor that in as part of your plan, right? So if you know that something like this can happen, maybe you do not want to be over leveraging, you don't want to trade too big, so that in the event slippage really happen, worst case scenario, you will get out at a slightly bigger stop loss. At least your position sizing is protected, right? That means you don't go in so big, right? In the worst case scenario. Okay, so this is something that it's true. So from time to time, if you trade news sufficiently, especially those very important big surprise element, you encounter it. Okay, some currencies perhaps to lower the chance of slippage would be the New Zealand dollar and the Swiss franc. Okay, the reason being because New Zealand dollar and Swiss franc has lower liquidity as compared to other major currencies, right? So most of the time when we talk about news trading, some of the major pairs we always focus on is euro, dollar, pound, and yen. Okay, or even Canadian, right? So these are the common ones because they are slightly more liquid and the chance of slippage is smaller. Okay, New Zealand dollar, you experience that quite frequently. So my suggestion here is if you're doing news, avoid the Kiwi, avoid the New Zealand. Okay, so that's the idea of it.